Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2020 Lexus RX 350 F Sport Series 3 in the color Atomic Silver. You have your triple LED headlamps and headlamp washers. Under the hood, you have an 8-speed automatic transmission, 3.5-liter V6 engine. You have 20-inch F Sport alloy wheels, panoramic view cameras, and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have a 10-weight power front seat with black leather throughout. And on your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, rear trunk hatch, heads-up display, heated steering, and panoramic view monitors. Your F-Sport steering wheel comes with paddle shifters, your Bluetooth and audio controls, cruise control and lane assist, and you also have your controls for your multi-infotainment display. You also have rain sensing wipers. Your Lexus trackpad controls your 12.3-inch screen display. You have your audio and dual climate controls, a space for your device, USB ports for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have a wireless charger, heated and ventilated front seats, cup holders, and your mode selector. And above, you have your controls for your panoramic sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have your heated seat controls in the middle. You also have your controls for your power folding rear seats. In the rear trunk, you have a kick sensor to open and close the rear hatch. You have your anchor points throughout, alternate power folding seat controls, and you have your spare tire below. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.